Welcome to another quick hit review video. We are now the 4th of February and you can see here that we have a high and tight flag that's rallying towards targets. This one had additional confirmation, and what I mean by that is along with a very directional pole, 2 touches either side. This happened in the night, 5:30 in the morning. I was fast asleep. What happened is price broke out, we saw a pullback, and then at that point I got involved with the trade. Pretty much offered just a one-to-one reward to risk here, and I'm playing for that 127. And as you can see, we're well on our way to targets there, just 3 pips away, so I'm just going to go ahead here and reduce the risk. What I also want to do is talk through, because there's quite a few opportunities today, but some of them are not valid for me. New Zealand dollar, here we have another low and tight flag. You can see how many times here that we've actually held this channel, this structure level, and I got involved with this red lower low, lower close candle. Go across, and there's another flag here, high and tight flag, this one, directional move, as you can see by the pole. However, I had the opportunity to get involved right down here. However, it actually occurred at this structure level just here, so I couldn't take the trade. And you can see now that that's rallying on up. Hindsight is, if this goes on to win, of course, I would have loved to have been in it because it was a 3-to-1 reward to risk. But it occurred at structure and I can't take it, so I'm going to wait for the breakout and see if we get a pullback on that particular trade. I'm not going to go into in-depth technical analysis here because there's a few opportunities. Pound dollar, we have now violated this level of structure, this lovely level of structure, and I would be looking for short opportunities down to this point. Let me just go and check out the 240, make sure we've not already hit it. Nope. So go back to the 60. With this breakout, quite simply, I'm going to be looking for a pullback on the 15. I'm going to be looking for a lower low, lower close candle. Let's go and take a look now at the Euro Aussie. Next, another low and tight flag. Didn't have the breakout on this one, but we closed right down here within the wicks, so a bit of a pullback. Saw that price had just put in this inverted hammer just here and got involved with the trade. This one's 25 for 40 pips. Let's have a look. Dollar Swissy, I posted this one in the chat for those of you that remember. I've deleted all the info off now, but it was this cipher pattern. And if I put a structure level on at this internal level of structure just here, what we did was we double bottomed. We actually then pulled back for 26.18. But a couple of things, it wasn't structure lows, the double bottom, it was internal structure. And second of all, it fell short just of the AB equals CD pattern. So the trade went on to win, but didn't quite meet the rules. You can see we just fell short there, but nevertheless that has gone on to win. What else do we have? We have a potential, no, this is invalid now, Aussie dollar CAD. Could be a double top that. Pound Aussie yesterday, pound yen was the same. Lovely low and tight flag. I was working on one of my houses yesterday, so I never really looked at the charts, and as you can see we had the breakout, we pulled back, and then boom, we rallied down to hit targets. Pound yen was the same, similar setup on that particular trade. I'm just waiting for Aussie dollar Swiss to hit. Euro CAD was a low and tight flag, has now broken to the downside. Euro yen, we've been holding this structure level for so long, we've been sandwiched between two structure levels. If we do break to the upside here, and see a pullback for 26.18, it could be a nice opportunity for a long. So that is everything that I have. Just double check there's nothing else. No. And I'm just going to wait for this to go ahead here and take. Alright guys, that's it really. Keep an eye out. Obviously the market is moving in a way which is producing some high and low and tight flags. Just be careful they're not occurring at structure as some of these are. And yeah, some of these are, so be careful they're not double tops.